On the local channel, a Rohingya Muslim is openly declaring gratitude for enrolling him in the voter list. And he expresses his gratitude not only to MIM, he expresses it to the MIM and the CM of Telangana. In the national channel, the media itself has brought to fore how MIM political leaders on their letterheads are ensuring that illegal Bangladeshi immigrants also find a mention in the voter list. You tell me, sir, law and order being a state issue, would a conscientious government not start an investigation? Why is it that the TRS kept quiet on it? Because they seek to politically gain from their alliance with the MIM and politically gain by using illegal immigrants and having them illicitly brought to the voter list. Anybody who wants to